What's up you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset the oil required maintenance light on your Toyota after doing an oil change. So let's get to it.
Turn the key to the accessory mode, position 2. Push on the trip button and set it on trip A. Turn the vehicle off. Now press and hold the trip button while turning the key back to the accessory mode.
Alright you guys, and you're all set. It's that simple and easy. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.